Hi, Playmakers. This is my personal presentation. Introduce myself. This is me. My name is Juan Guillermo Sanchez Ortega. I am 25 years old, alive in Agustin Codazzi Cesar. I am single. I hate a 1 year old daughter. I hate a dog called Black and actually studying agronomy. My trip experience in Santa Marta. I went on vacations with my girlfriend where we shared for 3 days. The beaches are beautiful and the food is delicious and they hope to get again soon. The weather in Santa Marta, hot weather, very delicious. It was not rainy season. Our travel recommendations complete with my many of the authorities, no, complete with the amendments of the authorities. Take sunscreen. Enjoy to the fullest all the attractions of the city. This is my presentation. Very good. Thank you. Bye bye.